Hi, this is Everett Watercolors. Welcome to my classroom. Uh, Today I'm going to demonstrate the Holbein MELTZ, the color pencil blender. It's a new product on the market, and really found it to be very interesting. It's great for a blending process using the Holbein colored pencils. And what I've done here is I've done the dragon with the color pencil, and then I've added the melts on top of that. And you can see here in this one section where it started, it blends the colors together very nicely compared to the area that has not been blended. Now the application is putting a small watercolor brush. The liquid itself is water-based, so it'd be very compatible with watercolor. So there's no danger in harming your watercolor brush or adding watercolor to this particular mixture. You can see here the way the quality of the blending. It seems to melt the pigment and spreads out the pigment on the paper. This is using sketch paper here with the Artist colored pencil. Up closely you can see how evenly and how quickly it blends the pigment on the paper. And here's my impact area, which is the red area here on this dragon figure. And look how bright that color is. It really intensifies the color. It blends the color in with the additional color of blue, give me the purple, and then it blends it on the paper very smoothly. I really like the way this functions as far as a blending system. It smooths out the pencil marks, exactly what happens. You can see how bright and how smooth that application is. That's MELTZ. It's available on my website, watercolors.com. I put together another second example here of a milkshake that I took off the internet, and I drew it and then put the red colored pencil on the paper. This is regular sketch paper. And then I wanted to work again with the MELTZ colored pencil blender. So using a small water brush, again, apply it in there and paint over top of the pencil marks. You can see how it blends it very easily and very quickly to smooth out those pencil marks. So this works very well on sketch paper or even on watercolor paper, of course. Down here at the bottom I used a black color pencil. Here I'm just very lightly putting in a light layer to give it a gray look, and here I'm blending the colors here at the bottom of this particular figure. I wanted to show you the results here of the MELTZ. It's on my website, everestwatercolors.com. The results here show you the blending on the left and then the part that was not blended on the right, to show you the difference of what happens after you use the MELTZ color pencil blender. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell to be notified of my next video. See you on the next video.